Hello everyone, I am Ivan Yogi, a student of kindergarten from Kolkata. I will recite the national pledge of my country, India, written by Pydimarri Venkata Subba Rao in the year 1962. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.